Testing and submitting videos is easy with both on-page markups like schema.org and video sitemaps or RSS feeds. With on-page markups, you can test what data Google sees by using the rich snippet testing tool. If all of the required fields, the title, the thumbnail, and the description, are properly detected, then your video should be indexed by Google the next time the video page is crawled. For sitemaps and feeds, just submit the XML URL through Webmaster Tools. Webmaster Tools will tell you if there are any problems with your file so that you can resubmit a corrected version later. Submitting a broken XML file is a perfectly acceptable way to test your file and will not impact how your videos appear in Google once resubmitted correctly.